Hello everyone, welcome to SCI-EASE. We have finished the chapter acids, bases and salts. And now I will discuss frequently asked questions from this chapter. I've already told you that from the chemistry portion, indirect questions they are asked in the board exam. So we should be prepared for that. In your NCERT textbook, many indirect questions, they are there in the exercise or in-text questions. We will discuss some of them, and also I will discuss some of the MCQs which are there in your exercise. So you will see that how this indirect questions they are asked. You should be mentally prepared and alert also while solving these questions. So the first MCQ, first I will discuss MCQ. First MCQ is, a solution turns red litmus to blue. Red litmus to blue. Okay? Its pH is likely to be red litmus to blue, bases turn red litmus to blue. So, the pH 1 is correct, 4 is correct, 5 is correct or 10 is correct. 10 is correct. Because these three, they will turn blue litmus to red. Only the solution D, having the pH 10, will turn red litmus to blue. So, you are to take this answer D. Okay? Now, the second is, a solution reacts with the crushed eggshells. It reacts with the crushed eggshells to give a gas that turns lime water milky. The solution contains NaCl, HCl, LiCl, that is lithium chloride, or D is potassium chloride or KCl. First thing you should know that eggshells, they are made up of calcium carbonate. Eggshells, they are made up of calcium carbonate. Okay? And it will give a gas. Which gas that will be evolved? When this crushed egg, that is react with the substance from these four you are to choose, and it will turn lime water milky. You know, this is the test for carbon dioxide, that is carbon dioxide turns lime water milky. So what we should add to calcium carbonate? What we should add to calcium carbonate? We should add NaCl, HCl, lithium chloride or potassium chloride. We should add HCl. So, HCl will be added and this will result in the formation of calcium chloride plus carbon dioxide plus water. And this carbon dioxide will turn lime water milky. So, things they should be clear in you. All the concepts which are there in this chapter, that should be clear to all of you. Then and then only you will be able to solve the answers, to give the solution to the answers. Okay. Next, third one is, which type of the medicine is used for treating indigestion? I have told you, one is antibiotic, analgesic, that is the you can say that is painkiller, analgesic, or it will reduce the fever. Okay, and antacid or antiseptic. I have told you that antacids, they are used for treating the indigestion. Okay, if there is irritation in the food pipe, we should take some antacids. which contains milk of magnesia. Okay, I have told you. And the simplest antacid, that is baking soda. Okay. Now next is again very tricky question. Here it's HCl. Okay. 10 ml of the solution of NaOH is completely neutralized by 8 ml of the solution of HCl. If we are having 10 ml of the solution of NaOH, that can be neutralized by 8 ml of HCl solution. Okay. If we take, instead of 10 ml, if we take 20 ml of the same solution, okay, the solution should be same. We have prepared, suppose 50 or 100 ml of the solution. From that we have taken first 10 ml. Now we will take up how much? 20 ml of the same solution of NaOH. The amount of HCl solution required to neutralize it will be, HCl will be again from this solution, okay, which we have prepared, having same dilution, everything. Okay, so what amount? This is double. Instead of 10, we have taken 20 and it is 8. So the answer will be 16 ml. 16 ml. So you are to solve these questions. Okay? You are to read the question thoroughly. There are MCQs in the question paper. And they will be from all chapters. They will be from the chapters of physics, chemistry and biology. Okay. And at least 10 MCQs you solve from each and every chapter. Okay. Some refreshers are there in which there are number of the MCQs. You are to solve them and you are to understand them. Okay. Now, some of the questions I will discuss. Why should curd and sour substances not be kept in a brass and copper vessels? Sour substances like curd and other sour substances, they contain some acids. And when acids, they react with the metals. Okay, metal like any metal, brass or copper, when it will react with those metals, acids, what will be the result? What will be the result? Some toxic substances, they will be formed. Some toxic compounds will be formed, which is not good for our health, as well as food can also be spoiled in that. Okay, so we shouldn't store this curd or sour substances in brass or copper vessels. Now next question. Which gas is usually liberated when an acid reacts with metal? Okay, when acid reacts with metal, acid and metal. Okay, so suppose metal is zinc. Illustrate with an example. So I am taking here zinc. Zinc is a metal. Acid HCl will react with it. Okay. What will be the result? This will result in the formation of zinc chloride plus H2. So which gas that will be liberated? Hydrogen gas that is liberated. For gas, we will put upward arrow. Okay. And balance. The equation should be balanced. We will put here 2. Okay. How will you test this gas? How you test a hydrogen gas? You will bring a burning splinter near the gas evolved and what you will see that it will burn with a pop. Okay, such type of the questions they are asked. Metal compound A reacts with HCl to produce effervescence. Okay, we are to find the metal compound A which reacts with HCl to produce effervescence. So which gas that is evolved by producing effervescence? That is the carbon dioxide. The gas evolved extinguishes a burning candle. Write the equation. And that gas, you know that carbon dioxide, it extinguishes the fire. It is used as a fire extinguisher. So write the balanced equation for this. So metal compound, which metal compound you will take? You will take sodium carbonate. Okay. Sodium carbonate plus HCl, any carbonate and bicarbonate you can take. What will be the result? This will result in the production of sodium chloride. Okay, sodium chloride plus carbon dioxide plus water. Okay, so the gas which is produced, that is carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide, we know that it extinguishes fire, and the equation is this. So you are to balance it. How you will balance? This will be this equation, sodium 2. Sodium 2. Okay, and here it is 2. The equation is now balanced. Okay. Next question is, while diluting an acid, I have explained each and everything. But because these questions are tricky and indirect, so I am discussing them. Okay. While diluting an acid, why is it recommended that the acid should be added to water? And while diluting an acid, why is it recommended that acid should be added to water and not water to acid? Okay, so I have told you that acids, they are corrosive in nature. Okay, when we put this water to acid, splashes that will come up and that will fall on our face also, and it will burn our face. So it is must that we should put acid to water very slowly, okay, by the side of the container, and not put water to acid. Now the next, again some indirect question. You have two solutions, A and B. Okay, there are two solutions, A and B. The pH of the solution A is 6 and pH of solution B is 8. Which solution has more hydrogen ion concentration? Which solution? The solution which will be acidic. This is solution A is having 6 pH. Below 7, the solution will be acidic. Okay. And above 7, the solution will be basic. Okay. So which will have the more hydrogen ion concentration? Solution A will be having more hydrogen concentration, having pH 6. Which solution has more hydrogen ion concentration? Solution A will have more hydrogen ion concentration. And which of this is acidic and which is basic? Solution A is acidic. Okay. And solution B is basic. So clear to all of you? I will discuss few more questions also. Now the next question is, what is the common name of the following compounds? I have told you that there are 5 compounds in your syllabus. Common name, their chemical name or formulae, they should be on your tips. So here we are to give the common name. CaOCl2. What is that? That is the bleaching powder. It is bleaching powder. And what is its chemical name? Calcium oxychloride. Next is sodium carbonate. Next is, this is sodium carbonate is a chemical name. Na2CO3 is its formula. And what is the common name of this? This is washing soda. Okay, it is washing soda. NaOH, common name is caustic potash. Caustic soda. Caustic potash is KOH. Okay. And its chemical name is sodium hydroxide. Name the compound which is used for softening hard water. This is washing soda. Washing soda. आप देख रहे हो कि यहाँ पे सब इनडायरेक्ट से क्वेश्चंस काफी पूछे जाते हैं. So you should be perfect in solving the such type of the questions. Formula is Na2CO3. Now next question is, what will happen if a solution of sodium hydrogen carbonate is heated? Give the equation, and equation should be balanced. So what is the formula of sodium hydrogen carbonate? It is NaHCO3. When we will heat it, what will be the result? Sodium carbonate, carbon dioxide and water, they will be formed. Carbon dioxide is a gas and plus water, they will be formed. The equation is not balanced, so we are to balance it. Write 2 in front of this NaHCO3. Write an equation to show the reaction between plaster of Paris and water. What is plaster of Paris? It is CaSO4 half H2O. That is calcium sulfate hemihydrate. When it reacts with 1 by 2, okay, water molecules, what will be the result? Gypsum that will be formed, that having formula CaSO4 2H2O, and name of the compound, that is gypsum. Okay, so many questions I have discussed. The things, they must be clear to all of you. So with this, my chapter acid, bases and salt, that is finished. I will come with some other chapter of class 10. Till then, thank you very much.